My name is Kaden Nowicki, and I studied in the field of electricity. So the overall experience in my eyes is people that the program is run by people who really feel like they want to make a difference. In my opinion, the field of trade is very lacking in people right now, which obviously is a very big issue, which I believe that they're trying to work to resolve, which I commend them for. It's a very seamless experience. They definitely have teachers who know what they're doing. I feel like I learned everything from a base level that you should know from going to a school for whatever you wish to go for. To me, it was easy, it was simple, it was, just learning the baseline knowledge that you would need to physically work in whatever field that you signed up for. Made it very easy to come in, do the labs that was asked of you. So instead of explaining everything right then and there and wasting time, your potential time of you coming from point A to point B, which could be a long ways, definitely got rid of the basic stuff that you didn't really need to be taught in person. The hands-on learning experience definitely takes some time getting used to the processes, the standard procedures. You do X, Y, and Z before you can even think of doing other things that could potentially hurt you or anyone else in the vicinity, or if you don't do this first and you do this instead, in a vulnerable position of potentially them hurting themselves. But in the way that it was taught, it was very, make sure every time you did a new one, it was always reiterated exactly the process, so you kind of got that ingrained into your brain, and you were always going to do that from when they taught you to hopefully when you become a master in your trade. Personally, so the person that benefited me by obviously allowing me to pursue my career and from this step forward hopefully entirely make me successful, and I can rely on what I was taught in the classroom to forward my career and provide for myself and or family. I do highly recommend this program, at least from the electrical standpoint. That's obviously all I can vouch for. I think the teachers are fantastic. They definitely make sure you have all the groundwork and even some of the knowledge of what things are called, or what maybe the older generation may call things. So if you're on a site with maybe an older generation or a newer generation, you still understand what is being communicated to you, and you can still do that effectively without asking a question of what something is, and you just automatically know.